Hi guys, good afternoon. It's afternoon over here and welcome back to my videos. So as you can tell from my title, I'm very late to the party. I'm about a week late to the party of the the trend where you try to do one of your favorite beauty vloggers makeup look and then you see what you turn out to look like, and as you can tell, yikes. So anyways, the beauty vlogger I've chosen to do is HudaBeauty, and the video I'm going to be doing is she tried to do her makeup in less than 10 minutes. She tried to do a quick get ready with me, so I'm going to be following that video. And well,
be my queen, I will be your king, and I will meet your need, you and me forever, baby.
so she's starting with concealer, and I don't have the concealer she's using. I'm just going to be using the products I do have. And actually, I know this concealer trick because my friend Christabel, who lives in Nigeria, she's a very good makeup artist. She taught me this concealer trick, and she taught me that is a way to get ready or get glam in when you don't really have time. So you start with your concealer first, and that's what HudaBeauty is doing in this video. So I'm just gonna put my concealer as well. So she has put concealer on her, under her eye, in the normal places where you put concealer. And I just want to say how much I love HudaBeauty in this video. Not just in this video, but I just really love HudaBeauty. She inspires me so much. Like, she's such a source of she's such a good source of inspiration for me. I just love her story, how she started up. I also love how responsive she is to her social media. Like, she doesn't act, oh, I'm too much of a star to respond to you. I just love that about her. She's also putting her concealer here as well, which I don't necessarily need to do. I think she's putting it because she might have dark spots there. But for the sake of following this tutorial, let's do it as well. Then the next thing she went in and did was she actually contoured as well. So I'm going to go in with my contour, and she's contoured in some very wriggly lines. So reaching for my contour, and I'm going to contour as well the same way she did. You know what would make me so happy? If HudaBeauty actually saw this video. Anyways. So she's contoured. I'm going to do the exact same thing she did. She's contoured like this. Again, I don't have the product she's using, so I'm just using my own normal product. It's so weird to not use foundation first. It's so weird. Wow, I think I just learned something. She just did something now which I have never ever thought of doing. After she put the foundation and after she put her concealer first and her contour, I didn't see her contour her nose, so I wouldn't do that yet. She went in with her foundation and used it to blend the contour. Wait, I need to rewind to be sure I really saw that. She did go in with her foundation. Okay, let me try this. Like, I'm so surprised. I've never seen this done before. She did go in. She actually went in with her foundation. So I'm going to use... Normally I mix foundations because I have this foundation which is very orange, and then I have this. So I'm just going to mix it on my palm. The purpose of her video, she's doing her husband challenged her to get ready in less than 10 minutes. So that's what she's doing. And I've actually been wanting to do a glam get ready with me when you don't have the time. So this is just perfect for me. So let's see how it goes. Let's try. Well, not bad, guys.
My queen, my star, my diamond of the rock. Just dry your tears, no more sorrowing. Let me be the man whose home gets morrowing. Let's begin this journey of bliss. Every time I'd wish on a star I'd miss, but thanks to you I'm in the hall of fame. And no more lies and no more games. Girl, it's your face in all the picture frames on the walls of our home. See how far we've grown. For the rest of my life I'll call you my own. I'm so glad that you're the queen to my throne. I'm no Superman, no S on my chest, but because I've got you every day I'm blessed. I'll forever.
Oh, wow, I would never ever have thought about this. And it's actually not so bad, you guys. Like, it's actually blending out. Wow. The next thing she did was she went in with her beauty sponge, I guess, to take out the excess product and perfectly blend in everything to her skin. She's actually not talking in this video as she said in the beginning because she's trying to be fast, but I'm talking in mine and I'm just like explaining to you guys what I can see from what she's doing. So anyway, she blended it. I don't think I have put a lot of foundation, so I might go in with more. And I look a bit darker than normal, so I'm gonna go in with more foundation. I know why. It's because, you know, I use a very dark contour for my concealer, so that contour, when I blended everything out together, probably were mixed together with my foundation. That's why I look darker. I see. Itchy nose. So I'm gonna go in with more foundation. So actually, you have to be careful when you're blending out the contour part, because if you don't, you spread the dark shade of the contour all over your face and then you end up looking darker. The next thing she's doing is, and don't forget, like, she's not saying any steps here, so I'm just following what I am seeing. She's going in with her powder. I guess this is her face powder because she's not setting. So she went in with powder. How funny do I look right now? Anyway, she went in with powder around here.
No more games. Girl, it's your face in all the picture frames on the walls of our home. See how far we've grown. For the rest of my life I'll call you my own. I'm so glad that you're the queen to my throne.
Then she actually did go in with setting powder under her eyes. I still have a long way to go in this video. I wonder if I could pull this off. I feel like I look so funny, guys. And I feel so weird without doing my eyebrows first, but anyways, whatever.
Just wanna let you know, if you leave me, I don't know where I'll go. My baby, won't you let me hold you close to my heart? Say you'll be mine. Okay.
Then she's contouring her. Then she's contouring here again. After that, she went in with an eyeshadow. I think it's not actually eyeshadow she used. I think she used like a shimmer. Either she put a highlighter on her eyes, or she used a shimmery shadow. So whatever, I'm just gonna use my highlighter. So she went in with the eyelashes, and I've done that as well off camera. I've done my eyelashes off camera because you guys, I don't need your pressure to get it right. I think I look like a joke at this point.
Okay guys, I didn't make it. This is how I ended up.
She didn't conceal.
I was good at second before. So actually you can do full glam in 10 minutes. So this is full glam. And this is with me also not prepared to do this.
So that is it, guys. I have given myself a side part in my hair as well, because HudaBeauty has a side part, and I'm definitely going to leave the link to the original video which I tried doing in my description bar, so you guys can go check her out, HudaBeauty, and she gave a lot more tips on how to get ready fast, which is a video I've actually been wanting to do. I said let me do this one first and then later I can do my own tips. So I can't say if this is my favorite look. You guys should be the judge in the comment section. I wish I had done more eyebrows, but you know, like HudaBeauty is already very full with the brows, but that's not the purpose of this video. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know if I nailed it or if I failed it. And that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below and click the bell button beside it so you always get notified anytime and every time I post. Subscription is totally and completely free. And on to my next video, guys. I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube here. Love you guys and see you in my next video. Bye.